ikaw nasa Nueva Ecija ka, tapos yung teacher mo nasa Manila, imbis na magbiyahe pa, hindi na, kasi meron na tayong distance learning. This technology involves two-way audio and video technology. Yun, parang kumbaga, webcam to webcam, or meron silang ganito para makikita nila dun yung pro, tapos yung class nandun lang sa, parang typical classroom lang. Ang pagkakaiba lang is wala yung mismong instructor sa harapan. Encompasses corresponds courses and course delivered by satellite, television, broadcasting, or telephone line. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin, satellite, television, broadcasting, or telephone line. Courses delivered by computer, via the internet, and the World Wide Web. Of course, hindi tayo makakapag web to web, and webcam to webcam kung wala tayong internet. So, now history. Distance learning began over 150 years ago. In the US, over 1 million students are enrolled in the course. About a third of colleges and universities that offer health professions courses have distance learning options. Advantages. People in rural places can have greater access to information in higher education. So, yun nga, bawa nasa liblib ka na lugar. Hindi mo kailangan pumunta pa ng syudad para makapag-aral. Learners who had to travel several hours to attend classes can now receive information in their homes or at a local site. Yung homes, pwedeng babayaran mo lang siya, kayo lang magkausap. Yung local site naman, ito yung may classroom talaga kayo. Accessibility to a larger variety of courses, the ability to learn in one's own pace, self-directed nature of learning experience, and the opportunity to learn more about technology. Disadvantages. Lack of in-person, face-to-face contact with the teacher. So yun nga, di ba? Parang kung wala yung teacher, kung may kailangan tayong tanungin, paano pag wala, hindi natin siya makontak, malayo kasi siya. May not be able to access the hardware and software they need. Yun nga, parang masyadong mahirap, masyadong complicated. Some may struggle with learning to use the technology at the time when they are supposed to be learning content. Some may not learn well with less structure in the educational experience, and some may experience feeling of alienation. Yung feeling of alienation, syempre, di ba, nasa malayong lugar ka. So,